everyone, welcome to the Ragni Learning Institute. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about MS Word and explore its options in detail. Let's just start with Home tab. Currently we are in Home tab. Click here and you can type. If you want to go in next line, then click enter and see you can type easily. Word also detected spellings automatically. For example, here institute spells wrongly. It's institute. Okay. Now, if you want to copy paste anything, then select any text which you want to repeat or copy. Then press Ctrl C together. Press cursor. Then Ctrl V together. Now you see your text is copy pasted. Now I want to copy text from another file and paste here. Just press Ctrl V. You can see. However, if you don't know shortcut keys like Ctrl C and Ctrl V, then no worries. Still, you can do that activity. For example, select that text, right click, and here you can see the option of copy. Just copy, press cursor and paste it. So see how it works. Let's check the option of font. Select the text from your mouse. It's very complicated to select all pages one time through mouse. Therefore, press Ctrl A together. It's a shortcut key to select the text of whole Word file. Ctrl A, see, text is selected. Then go here. You can change the style. Arial. Here you can change the size. 16, 17, 18, 20. Even you can tag from here if anything is not available. For example, 17. So it's changed. This is Ctrl B. You can also press Ctrl B together. You can also select B from here. Just press it. You can see your words are now bold. Then it's italic. Ctrl I. Click this one. Your words are italic. Ctrl U. It's underline. See. Now this is a strike through. If you want to cross any word or any sentence. So if you hold your cursor here, you can see a shortcut key is written, which is Ctrl Shift F. Just press together. Then you can see all options simultaneously. From here, you can select all things combinedly. Select size, whatever you wanted, just click OK. Then you can see the effects. But if you don't know shortcut keys and you are not be able to remember it, then no worries. Here, just hold. Now you can see Ctrl V, a shortcut key. Hold anywhere like italic, Ctrl I, you can see Ctrl U. So when you work on Word frequently, then all keys will be remembered automatically. Now set the ranking. How to do it? Select this. For example, you have categories first, second, third. Then select this one first. And here we have subscript. Ctrl Shift Plus. If you click this one or press altogether all keys, then you will see how this option work. Then select this one. And if you see this one behind that option, which is Ctrl Shift underline. See how this thing changed. Moreover, if you want to increase or decrease the size in between paragraph of the words, for example, financial institution, select, and here you can see increase in font size, decrease in font size. You can also use shortcut keys as well. Here we can select the cases. For example, lower cases, uppercase, capitalized each word, and Google case. So it's up to your Word or file report requirement. Then you can highlight text from here. You can also change the color of your text. see how your options like shadow, outline, reflection, glow works. These are used to decorate your word in more better way. Let me introduce you another amazing useful option which is Format Painter. Here, go to clipboard and you can see Format Painter. You can also use shortcut key which is Alt Control C or Alt Control V. Then here I am adding another paragraph below. Now, how Format Painter will work? Format Painter is like I have to make all similar changes which I already done in my previous paragraph. Then select that paragraph. Here, select Control Painter. And now, brush the paragraph where you want to make all changes. See how this amazing useful option is. Now, an important thing is that whatever we did, it's all like we used every option. Now I want to undo all thing. What I will do? I will press Ctrl Z. If you press Ctrl Z together, then you will see changes in our Word file. See how all changes are automatically removed. Just pressing Ctrl Z. Another thing is that here we used format printer in our paragraph. Now I want to remove that format printer. Then how I will do? This is our clear all formatting. Just press it and you will see your format is cleared. Further, if you don't know Control Z, then in your Word file, it's here. Undo clear all formatting Control Z. You can press Control Z. You can see changes in your Word file. Now let's move toward paragraph options. Here we have bullets. Click this one. So whatever size, shape you want, you can give to your paragraph. Select this one and see how bullet come or show in your paragraph or any bullet sentences. It's very easy, just click it. However, if you want to give number instead of that bullet styles, then press this one and see 1, A, B, C, Roman, capital cases, lower cases, all things are available. So that's how we choose bullet forms. Next, we have multi-level list. I am teaching you easiest way to do it. Select multi-level list. You can choose any style. I am choosing the first one. And I am taking the category of vegetables. In vegetables, for instance, we have potato. Press tab. If you press tab, then you can see that this A is added. You can see changes. In vegetable, I am taking potato. Again, press enter and tab. We know that its color is yellow. Add it. Potato is sweet. Then you can add sweet as well. If you want to add anything else in sweetness or potato's body, then tab. For example, potato body contain black dots outside. Then it's black dot. Again press enter. Now if you again press enter, then you can see 2. For example, I am adding the category of fruits. Enter, tab. In fruit we have apple. Enter, again tab. Apple is red. Again tab, you can add the categories. So in similar way, you can extend the multi-level list. Moreover, in paragraph, we have many options. For example, select this paragraph to check all these options. Here we have intent. decrease intent, and increase intent. Increase intent is that move your paragraph further away from the margin. If you press this one, you can see how this changes. Now, if you decrease, then you can see how your paragraph move accordingly. So next options are alignment. Alignment is if you want to move your paragraph and control L, control R like left, right or mid. There are some shortcut keys of it. For example, if you press control L, then it will be in left side. If you press this option, this is control E. Then your paragraph will move accordingly. Now this is control R. Press this one. You can see your paragraph is in right way. Then this is control J. It is your in between paragraph. Then that's how these all options work. Now come to the line spacing. We have 1.0 line spacing. This is the space between sentences or between line in any paragraph. If you want to select 1.15, then see how which changes the space how your paragraph looks like. Line spacing 8 before paragraph, 8 after paragraph. That's how this option work. And then we have option shading. Select any line and press this shade option. You can see different shades are available for your report writing. You can select any of them. Then we have borders. This border option is for tables. Now we don't have any table in this, but if I want to create, for instance, table, I am creating this table and go to home. Now you can see changes like outside border, all border, no border, select this table, top border, left border, no border, all borders, inside border. So that's how these border option works in table. In next lecture, we will explore styles and other options of Home tab. Therefore, thank you to learn with Ragni Learning Institute. Like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming lectures.